Good Tuesday, everyone. Welcome to GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith, and this pleasant Tuesday, the 22nd of March, 2016. Beautiful sunrise this morning with lots of clear skies over the forecast region. Some chilly temperatures too, in the upper 20s to low and mid 30s, and temperatures are on the rise this morning, and the winds will turn around to the southwest and increase and become gusty during this afternoon. But it's going to be a pretty nice day outside for this time of the year. In fact, for this time of the year, we should be in the low to the mid 50s across the forecast region, and that's exactly where we're going to be. We've got some small craft advisories until Wednesday afternoon, right along the Jersey Shore in the back bays here of the Delaware, and also on the open waters of southern Long Island into the east ends of Long Island as well. And this is until about Wednesday afternoon. Morning pass, a visible satellite this morning, shows lots of sunshine and clear skies over the forecast region, and some high thin clouds to our south and west as the wind flow turns around to the southwest, and some of these clouds will begin to advect into our region this afternoon, but it's going to be pleasant around the region, and we show absolutely no precipitation in the forecast for today. Everything looks good on the aviational weather deck for today. VFR conditions expected. Calm west winds this morning, increasing and veering to the southwest during this afternoon. Gust up to about 20 or 30 knots this afternoon. Clear skies will give way to increasing high clouds across the region. During tonight, VFR conditions continuing. Gusty southwesterly winds subsiding after midnight. Wednesday and Wednesday night, beautiful VFR conditions. Southwest winds at around 20 knots in the afternoon. Thursday, VFR southwest winds at 10 to 15 knots, gust up to around 30 knots. Isolated higher gusts to 35 knots are possible. Thursday night and Friday morning, MVFR with showers ahead of a cold front Thursday night. Low-level wind shear may develop with a strong southwesterly jet at near 60 knots at about 2,000 feet. So we'll monitor that. The wind shift from the southwest to the northwest behind the cold front sometime overnight Thursday night or Friday morning. Friday afternoon, northwest gusts to 20 to 25 knots during the afternoon. Friday night and Saturday, VFR, northwest winds becoming easterly on Saturday. Such as March will continue. 34 right now outside of Newark, 2.17, humidity 49%. The wind is southwest at 9 already. A few clouds at about 4,000 feet. Everything's looking good outside with VFR conditions. Philadelphia is also chilly this morning, but looking good. 35, dew point 15, humidity 43%. The wind is out of the west at about 8. A few clouds streaming in at 25,000. VFR conditions in place. Forecast charts from the Weather Prediction Center. Here's our storm system entering the interior mountain regions here of the west, with some snow and rain and ice, and all of this will be spreading into the plains as we head into the middle part of the week, and there could be severe weather out ahead of this all the way from, the Ohio and Tennessee River Valley all the way down to Texas, so we'll be monitoring this. Meanwhile, this front here to the north will be a problematic area of where cloud cover is in certain locations and no cloud cover to the south of it, and very warm temperatures too. Where there's more cloud cover, the temperatures will be a little chillier, and of course where there's ocean influenced air here along the mid-Atlantic coast, the offshore water temperatures will mean that surface area temperatures around the coastlines will be a little cooler too as we head into the week. But interior sections away from the cloud cover will get into some very warm conditions for this week until the frontal passage begins to move into our region on Thursday afternoon and Thursday night with some showers. GFS maps into motion. This is our frontal boundary here to the north, and a variable amount of cloud cover remaining to our north. Mostly sunny skies throughout most of the week. There'll be some scattered clouds around, especially in the north, which may hinder some of the warm temperatures, but most of the regions, including New York City, Philadelphia, and interior areas away from the immediate coast, will see readings in the 60s on both a Wednesday and Thursday. A little chillier today, but getting up there nicely into the 50s. And this is when we have the chance for stronger winds here and maybe a low-topped isolated thunderstorm or a rain shower moving through rapidly on Thursday night, early Friday morning as that cold front moves through around the region. And more high pressure follows for the first part of the weekend. Looks like Easter right now is going to be pretty nice, but there could be some increasing cloud cover and definitely the chance for some isolated showers across the southwestern portions of the region Sunday afternoon, and especially over the forecast region on Sunday night and early Monday morning as one wave moves offshore and a secondary wave moves over the forecast region. Maximum temperatures for today are generally going to be in the low to the mid 50s, a little cooler right along the Atlantic coastlines here. If we move into Wednesday, this is where the temperatures are really going to start bubbling up into the low to the mid 60s, maybe the upper 60s in the metro areas and around Philadelphia, possibly touching off at around 70 degrees. That's possible. Thursday, it looks like temperatures in the Philadelphia metro area itself could get above 70, and other temperatures will be well into the 60s across all of the forecast region. As the clouds increase and the showers come in Thursday night, Friday morning, temperatures will fall back into the mid and upper 50s across the region. By Saturday, those temperatures will continue in the low to the mid 50s across the region, which is about seasonal for this time of the year. Sunday, temperatures will also continue in the low to the mid and upper 50s across the region. And finally, on Monday, temperatures again in the upper 50s to low 60s across the region. So it's going to be a breezy week, as March typically is, and it's going to be a mild week too, and about a quarter to a half inch in rain showers Thursday night and Friday, and then return back to normal temperatures over the weekend until around Easter Sunday night and Monday, where more rain showers are possible across the region. In other words, nice week ahead. For everything live, it's GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. You have a spectacular Tuesday. We'll see you bright and early on Wednesday morning.